வயிறு வலிக்குது. Happy morning, children. Okay, today we're going to see in a number system exercise 1.4. So, your first question is visualize 3.765 on the number line successive magnification. Okay, now see here you must want to draw the number line and then you must want to mark the points. Okay, you can ask, ma'am, how we will plot this 3.765. No problem. First, we just draw simply a number line. We just mark the 0, 1, 2, 3 on the right hand side. And then in left hand side, we will mark a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. So see, 3.765. We first take the two number. 3.7 we will just take. 3.7 means, see first, it will come between that 3.765 itself will come between 3 and 4 only, right? So that is your first step. We are just going to provide a 4-step for this sum. Okay. So your first step is, first you just draw the number line, check whether how the point will come. See, the point will come between 3 and 4. 3 point, already you used it to plot in the graph, right? For example, 4.5 means it will come between 4 and 5 only. If it is 2.5 means it will come between 2 and 3. Okay, so here 3.765 it has been your question, right? So 3.765 will come between 3 and 4. First, generally you just draw the number line and then you just mark the numbers and then you just identify in which number between the 3.765 will come. Okay, so 3.765 will come between 3 and 4. That is your first step. Next, I'm going to split the term into 10. That means 3 means 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, like that. So if I'm splitting like that means, so where the point will come 3.765, where it will come between 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. So it will come between those 3 points only. 3.765 will come between the 3 points only at the right hand side. Okay, now next. Again, we will split the term into 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. So 3.76 and 3.77. So 3 points in between only the 3.765 will come. In between the 3.76 and 3.77. So I'm marking that. Okay, the next step. Again, we will go on to 3.76 means 3.761, 3.762, 763, 764, 765. So we can easily plot the point now. We just going to split the term. Okay, first we must want to know that 3.765 means it will come between 3 and 4 only. These are the basic things you must want to know. Okay, so that it will come between 3 and 4 only. Okay, next. What about the next step means we'll just split the term. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. So where will the 3.7 will come here? 3.765 will come between 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. And between the 3 points, the point will come. Okay. Now next, we are taking 3.7. We actually the point is 3.765. Okay. Now 3.761, 3.762, 3.764, 3.75. So like that. So 3.76 will be marked. I have marked that 3.76. Okay, next. We'll take that 3 digit. So 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766. So 3.765 will come. These are the things you must want to understand how to plot the in the number line the points. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, now next, I have already said in the previous class we're just going to see operation on real numbers. Here exercise 1.1 deals with they given some number, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Okay, now already you know that what is rational and what is irrational. Okay, now what is rational? It is represented in the form of P by Q. What is irrational? Irrational is not represented in the form of P by Q. It has a value in a point, and whether it is a terminating or not non-terminating, you must want to find that. Okay, now see the first question. So you must want to find whether the number is rational number or irrational number. So first one, 2 minus root 5. So root 5 already in previous class we say we have deal with root 5 means you must want to find the square root value of 5. 5 means how we will find the 5. So 5 and then 2 twos are 4 will come. 1 again point you will keep 0. So like that. So see root 5 it is non-terminating. Non-terminating means it doesn't become 0. The value doesn't become 0. It's so on going. So the root 5 is a irrational number. So what is the value of root 5? It is 2.236. Okay. So it is non-terminating and or otherwise called as non-repeating irrational number. So 2 minus root 5, you know your root 5 value now, 2.236. If you minus with that, 2 minus 2.236 means your answer will be 0.236, which is also your irrational number. Okay, so the 2 minus root 5 is an irrational number. Once again, I will repeat. See, you must want to find the value of root 5. So for root 5, already we have seen in the previous class to take the square root. So you must want to take the square root and then check because it is, we must want to find whether it is rational number or irrational number. So while you dividing, you must want to see whether it is becomes 0 or never it becomes 0. If it is never becomes 0 means it is non-terminating. So non-terminating and non-repeating irrational number. And then I have a value 2 also. So 2 minus root 5. I know the value of root 5 that is 2.236. So 2 minus 2.236 is 0.236. It's also irrational number. So this value is irrational number. Okay, now next. Second one. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Now here you can easily identify. See, plus root 3 and minus root 3 will get cancelled. What will happen? Plus root 23, sorry, minus root 23 will get cancelled. The value will be 3. Okay, so in the rational number, if in the numerator there is 3 means the denominator value will be 1. So it is in the form of P by Q. So it is your rational number. Once again, I will repeat 3 plus root 3 minus root 23. Sorry, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So plus root 23 minus root 23 will be getting cancelled. 3 will be there. If no number is there in the denominator, means you must want to assume that as 1. So it is in the form of P by Q. So it is your rational number. Now next your third one. See 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Now what will happen? See, it is in the form of P by Q. So we will easily identify what will happen. Root 7 and root 7 will get cancelled. 2 into root 7 by 7 root 7. So root 7 and root 7 will get cancelled. So 2 by 7, which is in the form of P by Q. It is your rational number. Okay. Now, next. 1 by root 2. So, already you people know the root 2 value and the root 3 value. Root 2 value was 1.414. Root 3 value was 1.732 and so on. Okay. So, and root 2 is 1.414. So, it is your non-terminating and non-repeating irrational number. So, your 1 by root 2 value is irrational number. Okay. So, I will give you some idea. See, when in the denominator, if any value is in the root 2, or if it is not in a fraction, it is just like the 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 5 plus root 3 means you can easily say that it is an irrational number. Okay. So, here also, see 1 by root 2. You know the root 2 value, it is a non-terminating, it never becomes 0. It is your non-terminating and non-repeating irrational number. So 1 by root 2 is your irrational number. Now I have given you on sum as homework 2 pi. So you know your pi value, that is 3.14. You just multiply and see whether it is rational or irrational. Okay. Now next we must want to simplify each of this following expression. See here, you must want to know what you have done in an algebraic expression. Same thing we will apply there. We will just apply with the two numbers. Here also only two numbers are there, four numbers are there, but we are having a root numbers and all. Okay. Now see, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. That is your value. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus, into 2 plus root 2. Now, what we can do, we just multiply 3 into 2 plus root 2 and then root 3 into 2 plus root 2. You just multiply 3 into 2 will become 6. 3 into root 2 will become 3 root 2. Root 3 into 2 will become 2 root 3. And then next root 3 into root 2 will become root 6. Okay, once again I will repeat. See, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. 3 into 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. You just multiply. 3 2s will become 6. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2 will become root 6. Okay. Now, next. Here we see the question 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. Here you can easily identify the formula. Use your identity formula. What is the formula? A plus B, A minus B. That is your A square minus B square formula. Okay. We must want to know all your algebraic identities formula. Then only we can able to solve the problem. Okay. See, A plus B, A minus B will become A square minus B square. That is your formula. And the number also in that form only. 3 plus root 3 to 3 minus root 3. So what will happen? Your A value was 3. That is a 3 square minus root 3 the whole square. So 3 square value will become 9. Root 3 square value will become 3. So 9 minus 3 will become 6. Okay. So 9 minus 3 will become 6. Okay. Now next, root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. Here also we have applied your identity formula. Okay, now see the formula, see the form root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is your a plus b the whole square formula? A square.
Yeah, Divya
plus,
ma'am.
yeah, yes.
Sorry to interrupt.
Okay.
Shall we recall the identity formula?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, 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 yes.
I'll unmute few members.
Okay,
They
okay.
have to tell the answer.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, ready? Akash, I'm unmuting you. You want to tell the answer of A plus B the whole square.
A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, ma'am.
Good.
Yeah,
good.
very good, Akash. Now I'm unmuting Aditya Vel. Yes, Aditya Vel. A minus B the whole square formula.
A minus A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Good.
Very good,
good.
Aditya. Now, Ashok. No, Ashok. Yeah. Is that Tamil Nathan? Tamil Nathan. I'm unmuting you, Tamil Nathan. Are you there? No. Okay, Kishore. Not.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Kishore.
Ma'am.
Okay, A square minus B square formula.
A plus B, A minus B.
Very good. A plus B into A minus B. Yeah, very good, Kishore. Okay. Divya ma'am, you can start now.
Okay. Now see, root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. The question is in the identity form. So a plus b the whole square. I think hope you all students know the formula. It's very proud that you know all the formulas. Okay, so we are very happy. So a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here your a value was root 2 and b value was, sorry, I will repeat once again. A value was root 5 and b value was root 2. So root 5 the whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 the whole square. Okay. So root 5 into root 5 will become 5. Okay. Plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 will become root 10 plus root 2 the whole square will become 2. So if we add both 5 plus 2 will become 7. 7 and 7 plus 2 root 10. Okay. Once again, I will repeat here a plus b the whole square format is applicable in this formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here your a value was root 5 and b value was root 2. So just I'm going to apply this in the formula. Okay. So root 5 the whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 the whole square. Okay, now root 5 the whole square means root 5 if you square the root number means it will just remove the root, only the number will come. So 5 plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 will become root 10 plus root 2 the whole square will become 2. So 7 plus 2 root 10 is your answer. Okay, now next one.
Yes, Divya ma'am. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
Yarni having doubt.
Yes.
I'm unmuting her.
Okay.
Okay. Yarni? Yeah, you can ask your doubt. Dena Yarni? Are you there?
Yarani?
Okay, ma'am, you can
Ma'am.
carry on.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yarni.
Yes. What's your
Yes.
doubt, ma?
Ma'am, second one, first one, ma'am, I
Which
didn't hear
question?
it properly.
Which one?
Second question, simplify each
The
of the
following in
following
a
expression, ma'am.
expression. Okay, now
Ah,
see 3 plus root
and
3
that first one,
into 3 minus root 3. Right? This question, right? So it is in an identity
yes,
form. That is your a plus b, a minus b. I hope that you know the formula of a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus
yes,
b. It is in that form. Okay. So I am taking a value was 3 and b value was root 3. So 3 square minus root 3 the whole square. So 3 square will become 9. Root 3 square means the root only will remove. Answer will be 3. So 9 minus 3 will become 6. Okay. Is
yes,
it
ma'am.
okay, Arni? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Thank you.
okay. Thank you. So we are given one sum as homework to you. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So it is in the form of I think you can able to guess using this question itself. It is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. You can easily proceed with that sum. That sum is homework for you. Now next, rationalize the denominator of the following. Rationalize means you must want to reduce the term and you must want to give the value. Now see 1 by root 7. So 1 by root 7. The question itself, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means you must want to just multiply what is in the denominator. You must want to multiply on the both the side, numerator and denominator. Okay, now see here only I'm having only single term in the first question. 1 by root 7. So 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. So 1 into root 7 will become root 7 by root 7 into root 7 will become 7. Okay. So root 7 to root 7 will become 7. Okay. Now see your next question. It's very important. Surely you will get in 3 marks and 2 marks. See 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So see 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So you must want to multiply and
Yes.
divide by that number. So see here you must want to just change the sign of the denominator. You're having two numbers here. You must want to just change your sign. So here it is root 7 minus root 6 is there. So here you must want to change the sign. Here, so you must want to multiply both the side with the root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. This method is called as conjugate method. Conjugate method. So here you must want to just change the sign. Here it is root 7 minus root 6 is there. So minus is there. So I'm changing the sign as plus. I'm multiplying both the numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Okay. This method is called as conjugate method. Okay. So while you multiplying that, 1 into root 7 plus root 6 will become root 7 plus root 6. Now see the denominator, root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 is there. It is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So what will the formula applicable here? a square minus b square formula will be applicable here. So what will happen? Root 7 plus root 6 will be same in the numerator. The denominator, root 7 the whole square minus root 6 the whole square. So what will happen? Root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6 will become 1. So what is your value? Root 7 plus root 6. Okay. So once again, we'll repeat the sum. It's very, very important. See, if you're having single term means you can directly multiply the numerator and denominator. Okay. Wherever which we have seen in the first sum. See, in the second sum, we are having a root 7 minus root 6. Here you must want to change the sign. So here it is minus. So you must want to change the sign and then you must want to multiply with the numerator and denominator the same number. So root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 will become root 7 plus root 6 by. So here a minus b, a plus b. See, root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. So it is in the form of a square minus b square formula. So root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 the whole square minus root 6 the whole square. Root 7 the whole square will become 7. Root 6 the whole square will become 6. So root 7 plus root 6 by 1. So the answer is root 7 plus root 6. Okay. So next sum,
Divya
they
ma'am?
give, yes ma'am.
Yeah, Vedashni having doubt, Divya ma'am.
Okay
You
ma'am.
can clarify it.
Hmm.
Yeah, Vedashni, you can ask now. Vedashni,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Yes.
you can ask now.
Ma'am, rationalize the following denominator in that second sum, ma'am.
Second sum here you must want to see then the denominator they given two numbers for you, root 7 minus root 6. Okay, so it is in minus. You must want to just change the sign, that is minus will become plus, and you must want to multiply the number with the numerator and denominator. Okay, so root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So you must want to multiply. So what will happen? 1 into root 7 plus root 6 will become root 7 plus root 6, right? Next, see the denominator, root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. So it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so what is the formula of a minus b and a plus b? Vedashini?
A plus B into A minus B.
It is in the form, right? Okay, now what is the formula? A square minus b square formula, right?
Yes,
So in the next step, I'm writing that as root 7 the whole square minus root 6 the whole square. So 7 minus 6 will become 1. So the final answer will be root 7 plus root 6 by 1. Okay. So now it's clear, Vedashini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yes, Divya
okay.
ma'am, Muskan
Uh,
having doubt, I think.
okay, okay.
Wait, I'm unmute her.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Muskan, you can ask now.
Ma'am, why do we multiply the thing by itself?
You must want, because it is a conjugate method, you must want to rationalize the denominator. Okay. So you
Yes,
must want to
Muskan.
multiply like that only. Okay,
Muskan, can I
Muskan?
explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Divya ma'am, I'm explaining now.
Okay.
Yes. The question is, what is the question? Rationalize. Okay, rationalize means what? The denominator should be, yeah,
Right.
Muskan. The denominator should be
Yes, ma'am.
it is p by q
Thank
form,
you.
and the denominator should be q is not equals to 0.
0.
So they are given root 7 minus root 6. The denominator is root 7 minus root 6.
2, 6.
That is the denominator. See, before itself, Divya ma'am told, in denominator, root in the form of root, the number is there means it is a irrational number. Okay, it
Yes.
is a irrational number. So denominator should be coming in rational number, means that is 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, not a root number. Okay, like that coming means it is a rational number, right?
Yes,
So we want to change the denominator. Already numerator is 1, so no problem for us. Okay, so denominator we want to change it as 1 or something, any rational number we want to change. Okay, so that which number we can multiply will get the answer 1. We want to search like that. Okay, so
Okay.
root 7 minus root 6. We want to multiply root 7 plus root 6. Okay, so only a denominator we can multiply that number? No, we want to multiply numerator as well as
And
denominator.
denominator.
Okay, so that only we are multiplying root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. We are
Yes.
multiplying. Now we are multiplying means we'll get the answer, we'll get the form a square minus b square. Okay, we'll get the form a square
Yes,
minus b
ma'am.
square. We know the identity formula. Okay,
Yes.
what is the identity? A square minus b square,
A plus B, A minus B.
a minus b. Okay, here a plus b and a minus b form we get. Okay, now root 7 minus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6 is there. So a value is root 7 and b value is root 6.
Root 6.
Now we want to multiply, sorry, we want to square root a square minus b square, so that we want to square the a and we want to square the b.
B.
Root 7 we will square the root 7 means we'll get the answer 7. Okay, root 7 into root 7, what is the answer? 7.
7.
Root 6 and root 6, what is the answer? 6. Okay, now we are getting 7 minus 6 and 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Okay, we are concentrating only the denominator because we want to rationalize the number. Okay, any doubts, Muskan?
No, ma'am.
Okay da.
Ma'am, any other doubts, ma'am? In this sum regarding, it's very, very important.
Yes, I think Sadhana having doubt, ma'am. Wait, I'll unmute her. Yeah, Sadhana. Sadhana, you can ask now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sadhana.
Ma'am, for the sum, we have to divide by root 7 plus root 6, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Why we are taking root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6, ma'am?
Yeah, now I explained, no. See, the denominator, we want the denominator should be not square number. Okay, we want to remove that square. We want to remove that square. So same number we will multiply means we can remove the square number, right? Square root we can remove, right? See, root 7 into root 7, 7. Root 6 into root 6, 6. Root 5 into root 5, 5. Okay, so same number we can multiply means the root should be going on, so that we are multiplying the same numbers, but the symbol we want to change. That's it. Okay, so root 7 minus root 6, we are multiplying and dividing by root 7 plus root 6. Okay, same number we want to multiply, because then only we'll get the answer 1, or say we want to remove the root, so we want to multiply the same number. Okay, Sadhana, we want to remove the root, so we want to multiply the same number. So we want to write root 7 plus root 6, multiply and divide. Okay, Sadhana? Sadhana, are you there?
I think she left, ma'am. Say, anybody having doubt in this sum, ma'am? Just check, ma'am.
Yes, anyone having doubt? Yes, Sadhana, now you clear?
Ma'am? Vinita,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I think
Yeah, you
Nitya
can.
Sri is having doubt, ma'am. Nitya Sri has ma'am, I can't understand. It says 1 and third sum she asked.
Okay.
Okay.
Nitya
Just
Sri.
unmute.
Okay, ma'am. Wait. Nitya Sri, I'm unmuting you now. Yeah, you can ask the question, Nitya Sri. Nitya Sri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can ask.
Nitya. Yes, Nitya Sri. Yes, ma'am. What's your doubt, Nitya Sri?
Nitya Sri?
Nitya Sri, are you there?
Okay, ma'am, you can start.
Wait, ma'am. I just continue afterwards. You can clear the doubts. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Next sum, your third sum is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So here, same method we're going to apply what the steps you have seen in the second sum. So see, multiply and divide by root 5 and minus root 2. So here the value is in plus. Root 5 plus root 2 is there in the denominator. So we are just changing the sign and then we are multiplying both in the numerator and denominator. Root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. So 1 into root 5 minus root 2 will be root 5 minus root 2. So C in the denominator, it is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. So root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. So it is in the form of A plus B, A minus B. So I can write that as root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. So root 5 the whole square means root 5 into root 5 will become 5. Root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2 will become 3. So root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Okay. So here the next sum has been given to you as homework 1 by root 7 minus 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We,
You can ask them to do now.
yes, yes.
Yes.
Let them do.
Yeah, students, you can do now. We'll check the answers.
My question, I think question is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am. You can repeat again. 1
1
by,
by root 7 minus 2.
yeah. We'll give 3 minutes. You want to finish it. Yes, you finished means you can put the answer in chat box. Yes, everybody doing, I think. Anyone having doubts? You can ask now. If you're finished means you can give your answer. Yes. I think BG10AB, who is that? He's having doubt.
Yes, ma'am. You just unmute.
Okay. Yeah, everybody doing, I think. Who is finished first? Yes, I am unmuting. BG10AB, who is that? You just ask your question.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes. Yes, what's your name, ma?
Why you are muting yourself?
I didn't mute ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
I think some of them finished and they gave the answer, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, hello. Yes, ma. What's your doubt, ma?
Ma'am, in numerator, if in numerator we can remove the square root, ma'am.
And how you will
Janvi.
it is only one into there is only one number, right? I just want to multiply that. That's all. In numerator, we can't able to remove the roots. Okay, in denominator only, it is in the
Not in
form
this
of
question.
which question? Which question?
That three and three, that root question, ma'am. That before question, ma'am.
3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is in a form of identity.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
you will reduce the, how you will cancel the root. It is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Right? That is the question, right, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is in a form of identity form. How we will reduce the root. So it is in a form of a plus b, a minus b. So what is the form of a plus b, a minus b? That is a square minus b square, right? So you must want to just simplify that.
Yes,
See, the
ma'am.
question itself, simplify each of the following expression. So, okay, we can't able, if it is in between 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3 is there, means you can able to cancel. Here it is in a form of multiplication. You can't able to cancel. You must want to check whether it is in an identity form, means you must want to just proceed with the formula. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am, with
Janvi.
that square, the 3 is there. Yes,
Which
ma'am.
question? Which one, ma? Which one, Janvi? Are you clear, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am. Most of them
I've
done
completed.
it.
Okay, the
Yes.
answer
Muskan,
is
Aishwarya,
hmm.
Divyadashni,
Okay.
Shweta, Mehak,
Okay.
and then yeah, they
The
all are done good.
okay, the answer is root 7 plus 2 by 3.
Yes,
Yes.
very good.
In the
Good try.
numerator, the answer will be root 7 plus 2. In the denominator, the value will be 3.
Yes,
Okay.
good, very good. Good try.
Ma'am, once again, you just recall, ma'am. Shall I put from the first page, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
You just recall, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Shall we do one thing?
Yes, ma'am.
We can ask some questions.
Okay.
We can ask some questions in previous classes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. We can ask.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm unmuting Nandita. Nandita, you want to? Yes, Nandita.
Ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Yes, Nandita. Tell about rational number. The definition of rational number.
Rational number must be, it should be in the form of P by Q. And,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, I'm hearing.
and it also should be in terminating.
Okay.
And we have learned about non-terminating, which we divide means it will not be ending. It also will be in the form of decimal number. And we also have learned about the irrational number. Irrational number will not be in the form of P by Q. And
Very
we have
good.
learned about non-recurring numbers. And
Good. Yes. Very good. Very good,
Non-recurring
Nandita.
numbers, it must be in the form of decimal number. It has more than different numbers in
Okay.
more,
Okay. Very good, Nandita. Now I am going to unmute. Yes. Pradeep Raj. Yeah, Pradeep Raj. You can tell about irrational numbers. Pradeep Raj. Okay, Nityashri. Nityashri.
Nityashri,
Nityashri,
are
are
you
you?
there?
Nityashri? I think she is not there.
Right.
Danusha? I'm unmuting you, Danusha. Okay. Divya Darshini. Now, Divya Darshini, yes, you can tell
Yes,
about irrational numbers.
It cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where
Very good.
P and Q are integers and Q is
Good.
not equal to 0. A
Very good.
number S is called irrational number.
Super.
Then the decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating as well
Good.
as non-recurring also.
Super. Very good. Very good. And now, Keetanashri. I'm unmuting you, Keetanashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Terminating and non-terminating.
Terminating means the same number will be 0 will be the remainder.
Very good. Non-terminating. Yes. Kitana? Kitana Shri? Okay, now I am unmuting Dimple. Dimple?
Yes.
Same question, terminating and non-terminating.
Terminating,
Dimple?
the last answer would be yes, ma'am.
Yeah, terminating and
In
non-terminating.
terminating, the quotient would be 0, and non-terminating, the quotient would not be the 0.
Very good, very good. Yeah, Janvi? Janvi, are you here? Janvi, I'm
Yes,
unmuting
ma'am.
you. Yes. Non-terminating
Yes,
and
ma'am.
non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring.
Non-terminating the zero. Non-terminating means the zero will come in the remainder, ma'am. And non-recurring means there will be no block of digits, ma'am, in question.
See, non-terminating means what? Non-terminating.
There will be zero in the remainder, ma'am.
No, 0 will be remainder means that is terminating. Okay, 0 will be the remainder means that is terminating. Clear, Janvi?
Okay, ma'am.
Read again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I was confused, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Yes,
da.
ma'am.
Now Lohit. I'm unmuting you. Lohit. Lohit, are you here? Lohit. Okay, Mehak. I'm unmuting you.
Okay.
Yes. Mehak. Mehak, are you there? Yes, Mehak.
Hi, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can explain about rational and irrational difference.
So rational should be written in P by Q form, where P and
Okay.
Q should be integers,
Okay.
and Q should not
Good.
equal Q should not be equal to 0. So
Good.
it may be terminating or non-terminating,
Okay.
but it's not non-recurring.
Good.
It may be recurring,
Mm.
and we can be like it can. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or not terminating, as I told before, and
Okay.
we have a 0. We'll get a 0 if we are doing it. So it is terminating, so we'll get a 0. But for non-terminating, we won't get it.
Okay.
And for irrational numbers, it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. And P by Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0.
Okay.
And its properties are non-terminating, non-recurring. That is non-repeating.
Good.
Okay.
Yes, Divya ma'am, I think everybody clear in this concept.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll just give some instructions. Okay, students, see, we have started our chapter number system. We are going on, so you must want to know what is rational and irrational. We have just completed exercise sums also, and we have given some sums as homework in the previous class also. So please do all your homework sums. Okay, after while the school reopening, you must want to show all the notes. Those who are didn't start not yet, you must want to start and you must want to complete your classwork and you must want to complete your homework sums also. We will check all those things when the school reopens. Okay. So please keep on doing all your homework sums and please maintain your classwork properly. That's very, very important. Okay, ma'am, you must want to say anything, ma'am? Anita, ma'am?
Nothing, ma'am. Homework sums. You have to do the homework sums properly. Then only you want to you will clear in that concept. Okay. So you want to do every day. You have to finish your homework and you have to keep your classwork properly. That's what. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Shall we
okay, ma'am.
wind up?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Be safe. Stay at home. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.